and he said that this is probably went out.
Okay.
So I ordered a new one.
Okay.
So.
All right.
I don't know.
So as long as it matches up, it should be pretty smooth.
Yeah. I have let me bring it up here.
Yeah.
So.
All right, so I went ahead and created a vacuum. I turned off the water to the tank. So this here will drain it out. And as long as nobody turns on any faucets and relieve the vacuum, we should be able to remove this with a minimal amount of water coming out. All right, so there should be a vacuum in here. I'm gonna close this now, and it's gonna seal it. When I open this here, we're gonna get less water than if we didn't do that. All right, so it's not bad. I'm kidding. This was it, not that. Guess what, guys? It's the wrong part. It's the wrong part. So now we're gonna put it back.
That is?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So this here is the wrong part. It's the wrong part. As you can see, it's got a shorter nipple here, and then this one here is longer. So I removed it, and then it just doesn't reach. So what I got to do is reseal this, put it back, and then either we order the new part or whatever.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So then, that's okay.
Yeah. So who
one.
ordered it?
I did.
Okay.
But I got the
Yeah. Where did you go? Or did you call the manufacturers or
online because
online? Yeah. So that's So yes, this is I mean that's the only difference. What we were supposed to do is call the manufacturer. In this case, it's State Select.
Yeah.
State Select, and here's a model number, and then we would have gave them the model numbers and all that, and then they'll send you the specified part for this one unit.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Oh, that's a whole other week.
yeah. At least we're in midsummer, or not even midsummer, right? But,
Okay. Okay.
all right, so in this case, I'm gonna go get some additional fittings. That way, I could plug that in while I reseal the threads.
Okay. Okay.
All right, so we're gonna get wet anyway. So, and this heater is probably no good. So we're just gonna have to do it quick. I don't have any nipples to plug it or anything like that. We're gonna go with this one now because it's gonna be faster to put on.
Okay, so my other dilemma.
All right, so she might order a new part, or we might just replace the whole thing. I'm gonna take this off, that way she could send it back or whatever. I'll clean it up, but that's it for today. That's just a plug. We'll come and swap it out.